So this is the web Photoshop Basics number 1. It's going to be how to upload a image into Photoshop and some of the basic tools and some of the basic palettes inside of Photoshop. First thing you do is open it, and then what you want to do is you want to come in here and you want to upload your file. So go ahead, hit upload file, upload from your computer or Google Drive, whichever one you have. I'm going to go ahead and open up this one on my computer. So I'm going to open this picture that I took in Italy last summer. So now it's opening up the file inside of Photoshop. And really what I want to talk about is I want to talk about some of these menus off to the side. So really I'm going to get rid of the shapes menu and I'm going to talk about each one of these in a row. So we have size and position, we have generative, that's the AI, we have adjust, we have select, we have retouch, quick actions, effects, paint, shapes, type, and add image. Then underneath that, there are some other items. If you wanted to add another image to this, you could upload an image here as well. And what I'll do is I'll add another one of these. What it does is it makes an automatic new layer, as you see in the layers palette. And to move it around, what you can do is you can move it because it automatically went to size and position after you kind of imported it in. You can rotate here using this little screen, and then when you're done, just hit done. Now, I'm not going to keep this, so in order to do that, I'm just going to, in the layers palette, just trash that layer, and it's gone. Next, what I want to do is talk about the basics of Move, but in order to do that, I have to bring up the select menu. First, though, we're going to talk about the eyedropper. This is how you can pull a color in from your image. If you want to just change the background color, the foreground color, you just click on it and then change it. If you want to pull it in from your picture, you can use the eyedropper. The background color should remain white, just so that you know that that's what the background is, but you can change that as well. Okay, so here that eyedropper is in use again. Next, on the layers palette, we're actually going to close that. And the next one down is your layer property window. And then underneath that is your history. And if you wanted to delete multiple items, you could do that here using the trash can. After that, we have a comments area as well, which has to do with sort of collaboration. You're probably never going to use the comments window. Up at the top, we have learning. So that's kind of a place where you can go for help. We have notifications. We have the app switcher. So if you want to switch apps and then your account. Also, we have the send to apps, which you're not going to be using. Or you could send it to like Firefly if you're going to use that, but we're not really going to use it. And then downloads. So you can download to your computer or to the cloud storage. And I definitely recommend saving to the cloud in this class. Invite, that means that you're going to invite somebody to collaborate with you on it. Some students like to turn their stuff in there. Please don't do that. And then finally, the zoom is here. I'm looking at this kind of at a smaller scale. If you wanted to go in and look at your original before you did any sort of changes to it, that was there. And then this is the undo and redo button at the top.